This is Josh. He loves football and knows how to make profits from sports betting. Josh tried multiple strategies. He looked at expert predictions and tipsters. He analysed match data and price movements. He even went with his gut. Josh was profitable on and off. However, none of these strategies gave Josh a consistent profit and left him frustrated. Then, Josh learned about Mercurius, the first artificial intelligence that consistently finds value in the betting exchange. Mercurius analyzes more than 20,000 data points per event and evaluates the quality of chances created by each team. For every shot, Mercurius AI considers the distance from the goal, its angle, and even if it was taken with the head or foot. Next, it simulates a match 10,000 times and compares these predictions with Betfair Exchange odds to spot where the real value is. Now, Josh can stop guessing. After connecting his Betfair account, Mercurius even makes bets for him. While not every wager will be profitable, at the end of the season, Josh should enjoy a nice return, even if his favourite team disappoints him.